Hey guys, so I'm just gonna go ahead and demo like a really short makeup-y eye thing for today. I actually really wasn't gonna wear eyeshadow, but I figured since I had a little bit of time today and I was gonna go super natural, that I would do like a little something just to kind of like an everyday, super simple look. I don't want to make it smoky. I don't want to make it, crazy. Sorry. I have self-tanner on my face, like the Saint-Tropez self-tanner, and I notice that sometimes it'll leave like a ring around my mouth. I'm trying to get rid of it. But anyway, I'm just going to go ahead and start. So I'm going to prime my eyelids using my Maybelline Age Rewind, and it's just going to give us like a little nice base. I'm going to pick up the Born to Run palette. I know that y'all said y'all liked a lot of like more natural looks and stuff, so I'm going to kind of show you like what I would do like easy peasy to like run out the door. So I'm going to take a big fat fluffy brush. I'm going to pick up Weekender right here and just kind of lightly go over the crease with this just to add something. I am going to pick up Riff, which is like this really pretty kind of dark burnt orange, but it's not like super dark either, which is why I like it. I'm going to barely tap my brush into it, kind of pick up just a little bit. And what I like to do is I'll focus this on the middle and kind of like barely work my way out. I'm going to use small circular motions. I will pick up a smaller brush for this. I'm going to pick up this pencil brush by Crown, and I'm actually going to pick up Good Is Gone, which is this shade right here. And I know that seems like so dark, but we're using a pencil brush and we're just going to really define that crease really quick. So I'm just going to kind of run this on this like outer and middle portion. Just trying to etch out like a little bit of a shadow. I'm going to do this on the other eye as well. And I'm going to kind of connect in a semicircle and just kind of drag it in just a little bit. And I'm just going to go over in a window shield wiper motion, just kind of blurring these lines, just kind of buffing it out. And now I'm going to take the fatter end of that brush and just go over this in window shield motions and swirling circular motions. Just really buffing this color out, and I think we're going to go in with a color on top of this so really blur it out. It's just a little bit of darkness there where there normally wasn't. Okay, since this color was kind of light the last time we did it, I'm just going to kind of go in with Still Shot right here, and I'm going to pick it up on that fluffier brush and just barely tap into it. There's not a whole lot of color payoff, so I think it'll do a really good job. And I'm just going to barely buff that in the crease and just kind of work its way kind of all over. And see, it's just kind of like marrying all the colors together. Just kind of blending a little bit more. That soft peachy shade. And now using my finger, I'm going to pick up the shade Blaze. Just like this really light, like champagne-y shade. I don't think there's like a huge color payoff. It's pretty light. It's kind of like a pinky shift to it, which I guess is what champagne is, so I need to shut up. I'm just going to pack it all over that lid because we did not actually put any shadow on the lid. We just put it kind of like around and defining in the crease. That wasn't the right shade. So with my other finger, I'm just going to tap into Breakaway, which is the lightest shade in the palette. Kind of tap this in. A Convertible Brow by the Brow Gal. It's like one of my favorite powders. And I like to switch back and forth because I feel like my eyebrows get used to certain products, so they'll work really super well this powder for a while, and then after a while it kind of stops working as well. So I like to switch back and forth. So right now I just got back into the Convertible Brow but soon I'll like switch back to the waxy pen. And I actually use the darkest shade in this just because I really like my eyebrows to be dark. I was looking back at a picture I posted, I think like one of the most recent posts actually, because I should be updating this today or the day I'm filming this. But just kind of feathering up. I normally don't add a whole lot of powder to the beginning of my eyebrow. I will start in the middle with the heaviest amount of product and flick it up and make this super dark and defined, hopefully. I need my eyebrows done, so they're not as defined as I would like. Anyway, I was looking at a picture that I just posted recently. My eyebrows look so freaking good, and I remember because someone was actually doing them then. So, of course they looked good. So, I'll just apply my It Cosmetics Superhero Mascara. This has been my favorite the past couple months. I really need to get a new one, honestly. I think this one's drying out, but it's actually clumping up in like the best way. So I've just kept using it. And this is it. It's like super simple, very natural. I totally get a mascara there every time. Or up here, it's fine. I'm just messy with my... Anyway, this is a super simple eye makeup look that you can do with that palette. It's not too heavy to where you have to wear like an enormous amount of face makeup or anything. If you're already tan or if you have really good skin, or if you just use like a tinted moisturizer or something like that, and this look is perfect for you. Or if you just don't like wearing a whole lot of makeup and you don't like cake facing like I do, then this look is for you. Alright, bye y'all.